Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 2nd of June and today is Nifty Expiry. So I was not able to put up videos for the couple of weeks last week, mainly because I was traveling. So traded very little quantity, reduced position sizing. And nowadays Indian market is going through a hell of a day every day. Because the long-term perspective of Indian market is not that good. SIP investors and everyone is really going for a toast. Again we gap down 0.5% and it's again market is moving down. IT is only up. Reliance gap down. HDFC gap down and going down even stronger. Goes for ICICI Bank as well. Nothing much. We haven't taken a trade yet. There's a good overnight crush and straddle is only trading at 115. We have a full 5.5 6 hours to go. 100 point. It is only pricing in 100 point. So going to be a choppy day for sure. Let's see. And India VIX is crashing. Don't know why. Yeah, the time is 9:17. Time is 9:48. We are just entered a 23,200 put option sell. Looks like the market has found some bottom. We'll risk manage it aggressively. Only Nifty IT is firing. Everything else is gap down and moving down or consolidating. So yeah, we have not entered the full quantity. We might require a lot of adjustment today. Especially on the put side, we won't be dealing with it much. We'll just cut off the position. But now we are not in full quantity, so we can hold it a bit longer. And straddle, I guess it has gone below 100, exactly 100. Not so conducive market to trade in. The time is 9:50. We'll catch you at the next update. The time is 10 o'clock. So we are seeing the steady up move in the market. In the meanwhile, we have already increased our position also. Around 9:53 itself, we have increased to the full quantity. So yeah, now we are holding this position for now. Nothing much in the major constituent front except Nifty IT. All others are dilly-dallying here and there. We'll take a look at the open interest. $200 put options. $300 calls are not that much. $200 put is seeing steady writing. Yeah, for time being, we are holding this. Time is 10:03. We'll catch you at the next update. Time is 10:09. So we have seen the quick down move. Maybe a trap, but we cannot say for sure. So we have sold a 23,400 call option also, just to balance the delta. We'll risk manage it obviously. The time is 10:10. So quick adjustment We had to exit the 23,200 put. We bought it back for 19 rupees, and we again re-entered it at 23,200 at 15, and we have exited the 23,400 call option. It was actually a trap, as we said in the last clip. So now we have only sold put option. The time is 10:18, and yeah, the constituent is in and around there. ITC is moving. Not sure how much of it is contributing to the Nifty's movement. Oh yeah, the time is 10:18. So the time is 10:24. We have seen a breakout above day's high. It is actually powered by huge buying in HDFC Bank. Not much volume, but candle is big. From almost day's lows to day's high. Absolutely, it is by some institution to prop up the market. So we had exited from our sell call at a correct moment. We exited around 14 without much damage. 23,400, just 68 rupees in the minus, and it is actually at 35. So that was a close call. Look at the 15-minute candle. It has not even stopped forming. IT is strong. Now HDFC Bank, don't know. Maybe, yeah, must be expiry plan joining in the party. The time is 10:25. Time is 10:52. And again, the up move is being sold. So we have again re-entered 23,400 call option. We'll put a tight stop loss on 23,200 put. Reliance is selling off, as well as ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank is strong actually, as well as Nifty IT is at an important level. So yeah, huge chopping both side. The time is 10:53. Big sell-off in Reliance, breaking an important support. HDFC Bank is supporting, as well as IT. So we have completely gotten out of the put option around 10:55. Not without much damage. We got not 11:55. It's trading at 14. Now we have only sold calls in position. Yeah, market is forcing us to make adjustments on both sides actually. And straddle, yeah, it has spiked. Obviously, it has spiked. Now it's trading at 91.90. Somebody sold huge quantity of Reliance with volume, more than the previous average volume. Yes, with volume. The HDFC Bank is moving up without much volume. So yeah, the time is 10:58. We'll catch you at the next update. 11 o'clock update. Yeah, the market is chopping around there. We have a triangle at 400 and 200. 400 has a bit of a higher credit. Yeah. As we said, Reliance went down, HDFC Bank going up. Typical index management as well as IT. So yeah, but Reliance is going down with volume. HDFC Bank doesn't have that much of a volume. That's a bit concerning. Currently we are well centered, but I don't think market is going to be calm the whole day. It's just 2 hours. It has shown all types of movement. Up move, small down move, pullback, up move, down up move, and big down move. So yeah, we are trying to navigate through all of this. You can see the P&L overview. It's moving more than the market. And straddle is spiking, decaying. It is in that boom and bust cycle. We'll catch you at the next update. So it's the 12 o'clock update. Oh, crazy market, crazy market. We were up. I'll show you the P&L overview. We were up 10K by 1124. Slide down to almost minus. We took an exit at minus 6.5K. Took a break. Again re-entered. Again went as close as minus 9,000. So yeah, the volatility is playing out. Look at this chopping. Up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these pullbacks are brutal. Now again we are seeing a down move. Our put options are spiking. Let's see. The time is 12:13. 1 o'clock update. Market gave a huge breakout. Look at the 15-minute candle from almost at the day's low to day's high, and it is being followed up with another 15-minute candle of the same size. So yeah, I guess this is a short covering rally. Is triggered by Reliance, went up from almost day's low. HTC Bank was strong since morning. IT is playing the spoil spot now. Airtel is also going up. In that, open interest 300, 350 and 400. Yeah. Last 30 minutes, there's unwinding of call options from close by strikes. $400 call option is dipping. 300 put option is increase in rating, as well as must be 350 put option. Yeah, the time is 1 o'clock. Oh, this is 2 o'clock update. We have seen a decisive breakout. I guess I have covered this in the previous clip. So in this breakout, sorry, we sold 23,350 put option. 23,350 put option was sold. Actually, it was sold previously also, but we covered it again, sold at 7.45, and it is trailing stop loss has been put to 3 rupees now. And around 141, 23,400 put option is also being sold at 4 rupees, and trailing stop loss is put at cost. So 2 o'clock mayhem is coming, I guess. So we won't do anything else. We won't do anything. We'll just trail it tightly. The day has been highly treacherous. You see the P&L fluctuation from plus 10 to almost minus 10. Again, going up, down, up, down. Market has also been like that. Look at this huge 70-point candle. I guess 50-point candle. At that time, straddle was pricing in a point 50 points. Even now also straddle is pricing in 64 points. Yeah. Thus our trailing stop loss will be hit. That's okay, that's part of the game. So the time is 1:55. So this is going to be the final clip. We haven't done anything. We just trailed the stop loss from the on the 23,400 put option all the way to 2 rupees. Now it's trading at 1. So it's hit or miss. Doesn't matter. So we can roll it up to 23,450, but I don't want to take that risk today. Today was a hectic day. Had to deal with huge P&L swing. You can see this for yourself. Huge P&L swing. So I'm calling it a day now. So I guess you had a good expiry. If you had been adamant on a position, you would have been stuck. But if you had been fluidic enough, you could have just managed. So I hope you have some learning from this clip on video. I'll catch you at the next Sensex expiry. Thank you.